Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. So we've got the issue with Trump v. Fed today, and yet no reaction. That's what worries me. That's what concerns me. And also we're talking about Bank of America earnings on Wednesday. Will they finally reveal XRP and RLUSD details? This is a big week because the finance banks, the finance sector kicks off the earnings. Always very, very powerful. It's one of my favorite sectors. It's where the money is and how everything works. And it's where crypto lives as well. So expecting big things on Wednesday. We've covered the Bank of America earnings for several years now, learning each time a little bit more about crypto and little mentions of RLUSD as well. Will we get a big nod to them at Ripple on Wednesday? Because of course, if we do, that would be a major catalyst for the asset itself. So we're going to cover it live early in the morning. I've got an event here that I've just put out. So let me give that to you now. Let me just get this up to date. There we go. It's just playing the trailer right now. There it is. So this is the event on Wednesday. This is early in the morning before the main show. 40 hours from now, we'll be covering Bank of America earnings. Will we hear about RLUSD, the real USD, XRP, and so on in this call? We got a little nod to it last time. If you'd like to know more about it and what you might expect, and we're also going to have a newsletter to accompany it, as we always do, so you can follow along and see what might happen. Here is the event. I'll put it in the chat. The event. There it is. Pin that to the top. There is the event for Wednesday, the big show. Now, what also concerns me is, I often talk about Big Ed and my friends with all their money, and I often talk about that. People have difference of opinion, and I don't believe in just giving a organization your money to take care of it. Well, I've been having some texts from correspondence from them today, and they've been saying, you sold too early. They always think the market's going to bounce back like a magic trick. It always goes up. And that worries me when people think like that. That's when it normally is the beginning of a major correction. So what we've got today is people going, there's nothing going on. The Trump v. the Fed. There's nothing going on. The markets seem to be up. What are you worried about? And that's the problem. When the markets keep going up, when there's no valuation anymore, nothing makes sense, and people keep buying, that's when we're at a turning point. So let's have a quick look. The S&P is up 0.25% today on the fact we might go to war with Iran and the Fed might be turned upside down, and we're at 40 times earnings. That doesn't sound odd to you? Well, it is. It's very dangerous. It's absolute suicide, in fact. So I'm completely out of the market, waiting for my SGov. Here it is, the SGov to just trim. I'm earning cash anyway, uninvested cash, but I get a bit more money when SGov refreshes. Any moment, tonight, tomorrow morning, it's going to refresh. It pays its dividend out and starts again. All right, I'll be going back in there. Now, we've been looking at Coca-Cola all day. We've been looking at XRP all day. As you know, I've got a $10,000 in XRP. You can see 9774. I'm just a couple $100 down. I bought my latest position at 212. I've got another position, all my Discord premium members and all of my all of my Electrum members know my buy orders, where they are. I don't reveal that on my social media. If you want to be part of Discord, there's the membership for Electrum, and there is Discord. All right. You have to sign up as a paid member. It's only $2.99. I make it as cheap as possible. That's the cheapest you're allowed to do it on Discord. All right. And I put all my buy orders, all my sell orders, all my moves, and I talk to you and I give you all that support, one-on-one support as well. But it hasn't reached that today. It's just bouncing up and down through a channel. It's not gone up. If it goes up, I'm not selling it. If it goes down, I'm looking to buy another. I'm looking to double the position, but it hasn't gone down low enough before I want to buy any more. Stuck right in the middle. Now, there's another position, as you know, I'm looking at. What is that? Well, it's not Virgin Galactic. It's certainly not Palantir. Gold, that's up. Amazon, no, none of this stuff. This is all dumb money at the moment. People say it's the smart money. It's not the smart money. It's what everybody buys. This is, oh, and now it's happening. Now it's starting to happen. This is what I've been waiting for all day, and it's starting to happen. This is what I predicted. You know what I'm going to say. Martyn was right again. You're damn right I was right again, because it was written on the wall. I can see the algorithms. I can see the codes. I can see how it's all panning out. So we're about to... right, here we go. So this is what I've been waiting for. This is what I've been waiting for the reaction. So I'm going to put my my limit orders into Electrum and on the community pages and in Discord. This is what we've been waiting for. So I'm going to tell everybody what I'm going to do. So post. Hi, Lucas AIDS. About to. This is what I've been waiting for all day. And they get my buy orders first. Okay. Where did I sell this? Where did I sell this? 70. Yeah. 3,500. 2,000. 3,000. 70.48, 70.29. So let me put this to give them all my numbers. Electrum and higher. Okay, this is a new service that I provide now to my Electrum members. Let me come back over here. All right, I've sent the limit order to my 1,000 shares. I'm buying 1,000 shares. Okay, now I've done it. You're watching me on the show. I can tell everybody. Here we go. Okay, so now I've started to buy Coca-Cola again. So I've told my Electrum members first what I was going to do. That's my promise to them, so they can see what I'm doing. Now I can show you. I've just spent $70,000, and I've just bought 1,000 shares of Coca-Cola at 70.28. All right, we're going up already. We're at 70.32. There we go. We're starting to buy back 70.33. So let's see who fought 70.32. Let's see what happens here. I am very, very happy to do that. Okay. We're now going up again. So I will also do it on my Roth IRA. Coca-Cola. What did I sell it for over here? I sold it for 70.48, 70.28. Yeah, I sold majority at 70.48. So I'm going to let that go for the minute. That's enough. I don't want to go too crazy at the moment. So I'm not going to buy any on the IRA at the moment unless it drops. But I'm going to stay over here on the main account. We should be able to turn green now. Okay, let me come back to comments and questions in the chat. Okay. Let's read all the comments. Good morning, Matty. I'm here, 1970. Morning all. Morris Cox. Really curious. So all my Electrum members now just got an email with the buy order that I'm buying and where I'm going next. So if you want to know, get that email. It's Electrum members. There you go. If you're bronze and silver, you can always upgrade for that service. Really curious about this one. Good evening all. Hello, Chris. Good afternoon, Yolanda. Bloody hell, Yolanda, I've still got to get back to you. I'm so sorry. Good afternoon, everyone. This is the best channel on YouTube. Everyone should be here every day. That's William Myers. Thank you, mate. Good evening, everyone. 70.35. Yeah, we're turning green now. There you go. I just bought $70,000. So there you go. I'm not sure what that means. The gaming, what's for lunch? I had a Chinese. Market is up because smart money selling the rallies to Moon Boy top bar. Okay, that doesn't make any sense. Good evening all. What's up, family? Dow Jones Transports making all-time high, very bullish. We are buying today. Hey, Martin, love the show, and I love seeing you back in XRP even more. Yeah, I'm trying to build a position to 100,000. So I'm flat on the market now. So I've just behind the market. The market is up 0.17 today. And I am just 0.18, and I'm at 0.01. So I'm just behind the market, but I'm green again, which is nice. Anyway, Penny Harris, good afternoon to you. Liz, lovely to have you on the show today. XLK, there's your thoughts. Thank you, Cedar Trees. I got Martin number plate. Told you. I like that. Good evening, folks. Just became a member. Peter Bike. Was it Peter Bake? Peter Bake just become a member. Oh, you just become an Electrum member. So if you've turned on the notifications, Peter, you would have just got a email from me about my buy orders, what I'm buying. So on. What's going on, Martin? Martin B, is that me or somebody else? Hi, Martin, how are you? We buying Coca coin? We buying Coca coin? No, it's the last thing I'd be doing. Market internals, risk 79% of discretionary. Really like your show and Tar. Appreciate it. You're very welcome, Levivan. Market breadth is improving. Stocks are now at above their 200 moving average for the first time in 3+ months. Calls on the VIX. Remember, people use the VIX in the wrong way. They think it tells them what to buy. It doesn't. I missed the reason for buying Coca-Cola again, but I still have mine so good. If you were an Electrum member, I've just sent out my buy orders so everyone knows what I'm doing and they'll know what I'm doing next as well. Okay. Okay. Has anyone heard anything on Robinhood yet? What about Robinhood? What are we looking for? Still got 200 Coca-Cola, but my average is $68.99, trimmed earlier. Very, very nice indeed. Yeah, I can still see it going to $80.96, so I've just bought back in again. Still got 200 Coca-Cola, but my average is $68.99, trimmed earlier. No worries. Thank you, Yolanda. When you have a chance, I thank you for your patience. I will be an Electrum member tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow. We'll still receive my buy order email when I sign it tomorrow. Yes. Every time I set up a limit order, a buy order, or anything, I will share it all with you. Yep. Okay, so we're making money again on Coca-Cola. It was it's going up now. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, I like it. Essentially, I quite like this. But I'm only just touching the sides again. $70,000 is not anywhere near as bullish I was before. It's not that I'm not bullish. I am bullish. But I'm just testing the market out. I will probably buy this at 68 in a minute. And that's fine. This is just my first sort of market share. Martin, I am your long-lost nephew. Mick Wister. Are you? Okay. How do you work that out? Don't buy Bitcoin and Ethereum at the moment. Martin there, look like there could be a Yeah, I'm not buying Bitcoin and Ethereum. Absolutely not. Robinhood UK will be doing ISAs. Yes, they will be any day now. So if you've not get Robinhood, here's Robinhood USA for free shares. There's Robinhood UK for free shares. If you want any of that, fill your boots. And they're about to bring out the ISA. And I'll be transferring my main position onto an ISA from my UK account, because whenever I get free shares from you, that's on my UK, that's where it goes. Mrs. bought Virgin Galactic. We had a good day, good gains. DJ Lee, good stuff. I'm waiting for the ISA too. Yes, ETFs. Yeah, we want VOO. That's what we want. Oh, look, the Coca-Cola is going up a bit now. Nice. I just sent out my buy order to my members. Hope you all got that. So you got the email. Any thoughts on the new IPO on Robinhood BTGO? I haven't. I've not even looked at it. Yolanda. Why? Did you want me to cover it? Long life to the bolds. I guess. Thanks, Martin. This is the only channel where you can actually learn something and make money. Steve Owen, that's very kind of you, mate. Really, really kind. Right. Vu, how do you do? Did you buy the t-shirt? I just joined Robinhood. I was joining. Yes. Did you use my referral? Was that the UK or the US? Because I might have some free shares. Did you fund the account? Was it US or UK? MDS, was that the UK? Did you use my referral? I'll go and check. Ethereum is actually very strong lay right now, not Bitcoin. I wouldn't be buying Ethereum at the moment. I think I think Tom Lee has lost a lot of respect. People now realize he's just no more than a salesman. He's just like Michael Saylor, just a salesman. I can't be doing that anymore. As the house of cards were all to fall, Bank of America would be breaking out above its great financial crisis peak. All-time high for BAC. Has anyone already requested Coke's earnings? No, nobody has. We've only got Bank of America earnings. So for those of you who don't know what I mean, I sure did. Shall I go and check then? All right. So if you are a member and you do a $10 super chat, you can book in an earnings. So coming up this week, you can have, we've got Bank of America. We're already booked for Wednesday. Thursday, Goldman Sachs, BlackRock, or Morgan Stanley. Next week. Let's have a little look. What do you want? Oh, here we go. So on Tuesday, DHI, US Bank, Fastenal, Netflix, After Hours. That's always popular. Oh, we're going up quick now. There we go. That was a good buy on Coca-Cola. I'm loving it. I'm just saying. It's a good time to buy, right? I shared it with all my Electrum members the moment I was planning it. J&J on Wednesday, PLD, TRV, ALLY. Oh, sorry, you can't see it. And HAL. Thursday, we have Procter & Gamble, GE, Abbott, MBLY, After Hours, INTC, and Capital. What about Friday? Friday, we have Next Year Energy, TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductors, Charles Schwab, 3M, After Hours. We can't do Friday After Hours because it's the concert on a Friday. But there's a few to choose from. It's first come, first serve. Whatever earnings you want, we book as far out as you like, and just tell me what you want, and we will do it for you. So you got to be a member. And a $10 super chat, you get the promotional video, like we just put one out for Bank of America, and you get the earnings call, and you get now in the newsletter. How about it? Well, that was a good trade, wasn't it, folks? That was a good trade. We just shared that on Discord. All my Discordies, premium members, and my let's have a look on Discord. What percentage of Coca is that? It's what percentage of your Coca is that? What percentage of my portfolio is that? It is 87%, but yeah. Okay, will do. People are asking me for extra information. That's absolutely fine. Right. Oh, yeah, okay. So I was going to go into my Robinhood UK version for MDS. So let me log out of my UK. Well, that's nice. Look at how that spiked. We like that. Is that another all-time high? Yes, 295. Look at that, another new all-time high. So let me come out of here. Let me go into my UK account. This is where I get all the free shares. And you get free shares too. So go into there. Use selected password. Yes. Let's have a look. Yay! There you go. Look, this is you. Free shares. This is MDS. Look. So you all get free shares. If you've not done this before, there's Robinhood USA, there's Robinhood UK. So what am I going to get this time? Well, I'm going to just buy Coca-Cola. What the bloody hell? Claim your stock. I won $7.93. The same as you, I believe, right? Isn't that what you got? $7.93. Hey, it's $7. I'm not sponsored by Coca-Cola. They don't pay, Robinhood. They don't pay me to do this. It's just a referral like everybody else. I'm going to claim the stock. I'm going to put it in Coca-Cola. Bugger it. There you go. $7.93. There you go. It says you want more free stock, and I always go no. Because it just then, if you say yeah, you go down a whole list of bloody questions. Anyway, so there we go. Right. Awesome. Coca-Cola. So we're fully in. Yeah, we're fully in with Coca-Cola. Oh, I need to... I should probably do that as well. Should I do that? Yeah, 58.80. I've got a bit of cash from dividends. 58.80. Let me just put that in Coca-Cola. Trade, buy. Yeah, I might as well. Dollars. Dollars. 58.80. Review. Swipe up. This is my UK account. This is this is all free shares that I win from referring to you. There we go. I've done it all now. It's amazing how it adds up over time. Okay. So there we go. All my cash is spent. Back in Coca-Cola. Awesome stuff. There we go. Back to there. Okay. Right. Now then, so good luck to you, MDS. You won 798. So did I. It's good, isn't it? What did you buy? I just wondering if it was worth looking into it. I don't know, Yolanda. I need to take a look at that. So Enphase. Oh, by the way, Enphase. Has everyone spotted this? This was my top pick of the year. Enphase going to $100. Look at it now, 37. Now you might go, why don't I buy it? Because I want Coca-Cola instead. That sounds crazy, but I prefer it. But it doesn't mean to say I can't predict this is going to $100. And we were buying this at $28, now 37. So this is great. I'm really pleased to see this. How many of you got Enphase? Is that recovered? Yeah, that's right. That's right. I just want to see a margin call on silver. I just want to see a margin call on silver. A margin call on silver. What do you mean by that? That doesn't make any sense. Russell 2000 breaking out all-time high. That's dangerous. I don't like that. Don't like that. These are 80% of the Russell won't be around in 5 years. They'll be bust. It's not my, I wouldn't buy anything in there. Hit the like button, people. Oh, yeah. What's going on? Why has no one tapped the like button? Lazy. Tells are unexpected. Thank you very much. And hit the like button. There he is, Mr. Mini-Me. Gonna celebrate when you hit 300,000. Need a special song for that, I think. Yeah, I'll be there very soon. I would imagine a couple of weeks. Yes, a couple of weeks. Many thanks for the freebies. Yeah, why not? I think so. It's worth it. I bought Coke at 67.57. Very nice indeed, Thailand. It's Levi Van Hook from Texas. Dev, gonna join. I want to learn. So Levi Van Hook. Oh, Levi Van. Nice to meet you. Where are you calling in from? Total return in the past year, S&P pure value, 20%, S&P pure growth, plus 16%. Thank you, Cedar Trees. Another Texan, welcome, Levi Van Hook. UK investor, hi Martin. I'm confused about your comment earlier after saying Nvidia is expensive. It was only a few weeks back when you said, don't know why people are trading Nvidia and that it's going to 200. Yes, it is. But the trouble is, we're now going to have a pullback. And when we have a pullback, it'll become expensive because it'll all sell off. And it's at the top of its range. It's been $200 before. It's already broken 200 a couple of times. So it's a great business. I like it. You shouldn't trade it. You should own it. However, it's going to sell off when the market pulls back. And if it doesn't pull back, I'll eat my hat. Because the fact that everyone thinks everything keeps going to keep going up worries the hell out of me that people are doing that. Anyway, Coca-Cola, of course, LOL. Is that what you did? Yeah, I put 798 as well. Expensive normally refers to valuation, not stock price. Correct. I might want to get Enphase. Looks really good. Yeah, the business is really good. The balance sheet is really good too. And it's crushing the competition. Its margins are up. And its margins is its moat. and it's been able to put other solar companies out of business. It's not. I know it's not very nice, but it's the truth. I'm not lazy. I hit the like button. I'm not lazy. 1970. Good evening, Martin. Silver is about to pull back. It's when it went up too fast. That's what happened to Coca-Cola a couple of days ago, and I trimmed it back. Remember, I was very worried about that. But it's doing all right again today. So because it's gone to $80, I don't mind buying a bit. Remember, I've got another like 400 grand. I'm not all in or anything. I've just started. So that was only a small position, right, folks? Good afternoon, Martin. Eat it up, says Mr. Stock. Eat it up. Eat what up? Right. Okay. Let me show you what you may or may not seen. Did you all see this? Did you all see this? Has everyone seen this? If not, go and check it out. It's a 2-minute trailer for Wednesday. If you've not seen it, go and watch it. It's a 2-minute trailer and come straight back. All right, take you 2 minutes. You want to know about Wednesday? We've got a newsletter coming out to accompany it as well, and the Bank of America earnings. All right, so if you click on that link, it's a 2-minute little video for you explaining what's coming up on Wednesday. You might find it useful. Right. I wasn't, this morning I said I was feeling rough. I still am, actually. But I decided to go live and do a little quick show. But I'm feeling really rubbish today. I'm really tired. I've not been sleeping well. I've been up doing this analysis for everybody, and I'm like been feeling a bit rubbish, to be honest. But anyway, there it is. So yeah, I'm a bit tired. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the bell goes. 20 minutes. Should we ring the bell early? Can we get out early, Mum? Can we go home, Mum? Because I'm tired. I just feel tired. I might do a walk and talk tonight. Who wants a walk and talk? Has anybody ever joined me on a walk and talk before? Shall we do one? Who wants to do a little chat, a little walk and talk around the neighborhood? It's called walk and talk. Anyone want to join me? Anybody fancy a walk and talk? Right. Put in the chat, yes or no. This is what we do, folks. So at the end of the show, sometimes I pick up my phone and I go on a walk and talk around the place. All right. We go for a little walk and we talk about the day and I answer everyone's questions and it's all kind of good. It's called a walk and talk. Who wants to do it? Anybody? Not done one for months, and I need one. I might be walking really slowly though because I'm unfit at the moment. It's ridiculous. But anybody want to do a walk and talk? A walk and a talking in. If you do, say yeah. I'll set one up. So we'll ring the bell and we'll go on a walk and talk. So basically, some people go for a walk as well. They literally go on a walk, and they're literally just chatting to me while they're on the walk. It's nice. And we just talk about the day and say what we think about Wednesday. Because I think Wednesday could be pivotal for XRP. I think Wednesday could be really, really exciting. So we talk about that. And I might call a few people stupid if they come in and say stupid stuff. I might say that, you know how it goes. But what a job. My job, what's my job description? Calling people stupid. Yeah, that's what I do that a lot. Yeah, go for it. Something different. Yeah, Club 99. Marsha says, yeah, do it. Yeah, I'm not walking though. It's 30 degrees here in Michigan. 30 degrees. Jess says, yeah, do it. Yeah, we got another new Electrum member. This is Steve Owen. Steve Owen. All right, you'll get more of my trades when I do them. Set up the walk and talk, but let's do Uber analysis. What, a mini analysis? Are you gonna? We don't do mini analysis on the main shows. They're Electrum shows. Are you just being cheeky? Are you just being cheeky and hoping for the best? Shall we do it? In the chat, we've got a cheeky person called M Jimp. M Jimp, It's a cheeky name. And he says, set up the walk and talk. Set it up. Set up the walk and talk, mate. Set it up. But first of all, do an Uber analysis. Shall I? If I should do an Uber analysis, say yes. Should I give somebody a free analysis? Shall I? Go on. Shall we be nice for no apparent reason, just because we can? Shall we? Anybody? Shall I do it? Uber, little short Uber. Let me find my walk and talk thing. I'm so bloody tired. I just think fresh air would do me good. So let's have a look at it. Sometimes it gets hard, doesn't it? It's hard, isn't it, this life? Walk and talk. There we go. There's me walking and talking in. Here it is. I've got this little image here. Download. Save image as. Walk.jpg. Save that. As long as you're on what? Are you long on waffles? What's waffles got to do with anything? Yeah, everyone's going, yeah, go on, do it. Just do it. Go on, he did wink. That's what it's all about, isn't it? If you're nice stuff happens. If you're a pain in the arse or an idiot, you get nothing. Oh, God. All right, then, sod it. I'll set it up. How do I do it again? Because you got to do it on your phone. So you got to go into downloads. Downloads. Where did I just put this? I'm losing the will to live. There it is. Right. And I got to send it. Share. I send it. AirDrop. Let me turn my AirDrop on. I haven't turned AirDrop on for ages. I've got new phones and stuff and new and stuff. Right. Martyn's iPhone. That one there. Is it that one there? Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. I've done it. There you go. Oh, you can't see it yet. I'll show you in a minute. Walk and talking in. All right. Okay. I'll do it. Sod it. So let me pick up my phone. Look. I can't get it in the picture frame because it's plugged in. Look, walk and talk on the phone. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. We're going to go for a walking and a talking in, and it'll be good. You'll love it. And I'll do Uber as well. I'll do Uber. I'll do Uber. Woo woo. Woo woo. It's a thing. It's a new thing we've just started. All right. So let me do it. Let me go to, right, here we go. God, I haven't done this for ages. How do I even do it? Right. Plus, because on your phone, live. So what time should we do it? Should we do it in, we'll do it in half an hour. We'll ring the bell and then we do it. Right. Okay. So walk and talk. Upload thumbnail. Oh, hang on. Oh, there it is. Can't believe we're doing this. Ain't done it for ages. Right. XRP. Whoops. Big day. Wednesday. XRP, big day Wednesday, walk and talk. Who made that up? Probably me. Walk and talk. Right, okay. Go live together. Schedule for later. So we'll do it for 1:15, shall we? Yeah, we'll do it 1:15. What day today is it? It's the 12th, isn't it? 12th. Yeah, and it's 3:15. It's a PM. 3:15. 3:15. Okay, so that's in half an hour from now. Give him a chance to sort of charge my phone up. Advanced settings. Turn on monetization. Yes, there's going to be ads. There's going to be ads. Allow chat. There we go. There's definitely going to be ads. There's no way I'm talking for free. Definitely going to make 1 cent per person to watch. You know, otherwise, what's the point? Next. No, it's not made for kids. I love the way they do that. Right. There it is. I've scheduled it. So there it is, waiting, ready to go. So if you look here now on the home page, where would it be? Content. I'll do Uber now. You're very lucky. I'm going to do Uber. Woo woo. Woo woo. Really got to stop doing that. Okay, so this show will go to redirect, not extra channel. It's going to walk and talk now. Save that. Save that. And then make the walk and talk. The walk and talk can go to subscribers, yeah. The walk and talk can go to the extra channel. Otherwise, that's rubbish, isn't it? Okay. Save. Right. That. I'm about to do... Oh, thank you, David Fergins. I'm about to do Uber. So it is a big week. Earnings season starts. It's always a big week. Right, that's set for there. The show we're on now is set to go there as well. Walking in and talking in. All right, there we go. And walk to talk, make sure it's set right. Yeah, on my phone. Phone settings, mobile phone settings. Good. I'll give you the link now because some people always say, I can't see it. I missed it. I don't know where it is. There's always people like that. There always is. I can't find it now. There it is. Upcoming live streams. Here it is. Right. So let me give everybody the link. Okay. Walk and talk. I'm worried about it, you know, because I've not taken exercise for ages. It's terrible, isn't it? I've sat in the studio and worked, and this is why I'm probably tired, isn't it? Terrible, isn't it? Walk and talk. There we go. Next. Right, I'll give it a couple of times so you can see it. See it? Can you see it? If you see it, say it. Say it, seeing it. Right, walk and talk. All right? There you go. That's where we're going next. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. Right? Whether you like it or not, it's happening. So Uber, I did promise I would do it. I don't know why I promised. He was just nice about it and said, would you do it? I went, all right then. So anyway, I shared my trade. That went well, didn't it? That went well, didn't it? That turned me green today. So anyway, Coca-Cola, nice that. I just bought $70,000. I tell you what, isn't it mental? 4 years ago, I didn't have 2 pennies to rub together. And then I got to 5,000 and now just buy $70,000 worth of Coca-Cola just like that. Just like that. It's stupid, isn't it? That's what happens when you just work and work and work. Eventually, you make some money. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Right, here we go. Let's have a look at Uber. U-B-E-R. Uber. How nice shall we be? Shall we be really nice? I can't be really nice. I can't be really nice. I can't do a full review, can I? It's not even in a review show. It's just a regular show. I can't be that nice, can I? Right, okay. Let's have a look. Uber. So let's have a look, shall we? This is not a full review. Full reviews, I've got to take a week off to do reviews. That's how bad it's got for reviews. Anyway, I'll have to bloody do it, won't I? Seeing it, saying, if you see it, say it. Saying it because I'm seeing it. MDS, that's right. If you're seeing it, you're saying it. And if you're saying it, you're seeing it. Don't see it if you don't say it. And if you see it, say it. Right. So look at Uber. I'm not going to do a full review, just a brief one. I mean, we all know what Uber is, right? Okay. It's very volatile though. In an upward trend, but nevertheless, it's very volatile. Let me just do a very basic thing because we haven't got time. We've got to ring the bell in a second. The intrinsic valuation based upon its future income and so on and so forth, is overvalued by 1%. Now, it's a growth stock. Anything under 25% I can buy for a growth stock. And I think there's a lot of growth in Uber. I think most people do, right? Because of EVs and so on. So 1% overvaluation, I can live with that. 39% best case, which I would say we're going to go into soon. So that looks good. Worst case scenario, 26%. So worst case scenario, and if we're going to a crash, that's it. That's the worst case scenario. 26% overvaluation. Well, I can do that because of a growth stock. I'm happy to pay over 25%. I'm not bloody 1,000 times earnings like Palantir, but I can buy that valuation just on the intrinsic valuation, right? If you want alpha spread, there's my link for alpha spread, right? I'm just giving you the link. Right. Now, this is what I like. I like when you see this. This is like Coca-Cola, right? Just keep on rising. Lovely. This is what you want. And we're up 5% and expected to 7.50. This is great. Good revenue increase. Operating income up 1% and expecting a nice jump in 26. 50%. Their earnings looks good. Expectations looks good. That's what that means, by the way, in case you're wondering. Net income up 32%. That's expected to dip away a little bit, net income. Free cash flow, that's moving up. We've got no projections there. No projections operating cash flow, obviously. Now we've got assets, 63 billion. Of which cash is 9. That's the right proportion. So remember that number, 9 billion in cash. How much debt? 10 billion. Okay, 10 billion. 30% of their position is in debt. It's a bit heavy on debt, but we can pay it off. Am I right? No. 9 billion is in cash. Sorry, folks, you're all over the place. 9 billion is in cash, and long-term debt is 10 billion. Yeah, oh yeah, we can. So we can pay off our debt. So that's good, but it makes 30% of the company. It's a bit heavy, isn't it? But anyway, look at the margins. Gross margin 34%. But this is what I'm interested in. That's what I want to see. Net margin is going up. That's what I'm looking for. Net margin is going up. That's good. That's good. So earnings expectations will be up. Good if they beat. So profitability is very good. 62%. Very nice from Uber. Very nice. Good profit margins. And even with the debt, 62% solvency. So they're not going bust. They're not in any risk. So worst case scenario, 7% downside. I can do that because what I would do is I'd put 50% on. I'd put 75% allocation in. If I had $1,000, I'd put 750 in, keep 250 for a bit of a dip. That's how I would do it. All right? Because 7%, I could buy that and buy the dip and bring the average down. 35% on average. We could be in for that, even with a pullback. That's a very good return. That's double what Coca-Cola is going to give you. And on a best scenario, which probably not in that, somewhere between the two, 86%. So that's not bad, is it? That's not bad. There's a little mini review. You got very lucky there. Ooh, you're a very lucky person. I don't know how you pulled it off. What did he say? What did he do? People are going, what did he do to make that happen? Did he give Martyn money? No, he didn't give me money. He didn't do anything. What did he do? And I was right. It's right again. I was right. Look at this. I was giving it a nice review, right? Saying it's not bad. Look, Quant, and I like Quant. Strong buy. Quant is the Seeking Alpha. If you want my link to Seeking Alpha, there's Seeking Alpha. But it's the AI software. It's the autonomous way of looking at stocks. There's no emotion involved. It is just the numbers. And I like that. Strong buy from Quant. Valuation is C. Well, it's a growth stock. It's always going to be expensive. So it's not D like Coca-Cola is. It's C. And it's improved from C minus. So valuation's improved. That's good. That's a good. Growth is A. Profitability, A plus. Good. Very good. C minus momentum down slightly from B. That presents a buying opportunity. And revisions, A minus. What about short interest? None whatsoever, 2.55. So no short squeeze. The forward PE, 15.85. That's very good. That's very good. The PE, it is on its lagging indicator, it's 10.96. Price going forward is 15. Do you know what? I can live with that though. When you think the S&P, the Mag 7's like 40, the S&P's around about 27, 30. This is 20, if not 15. Do you know what? It's not a bad buy, that. It's not a bad buy. I like a bit of Uber. Good business for you. Good business for you. I like a bit of that. Thanks for whoever it was requested it. You got lucky. Don't push your luck. Don't ask for it again. All right. I don't know how you pulled it off, quite frankly. Don't try it again. Right. Okay. So I'm going to end this. We're going to ring the bell. We're going to go ta-ra, and we're going to say, look, we're up again today. Are we beating the market yet? Are we beating the market yet, Dad? Let's have a look. 0.19. No, we're not. We're not. But that's okay. That's insanely overbought, especially with the current conditions. But the market doesn't seem to care. That worries me, but I thought I'd buy some. Which worries me because everyone's following me. The pressure. Right. Anyway. Nice. $100 today. Yeah. $100, isn't it? $100. I could sell it, make $100. It's okay. Don't mind doing that. Don't mind taking a scalp trade on that, actually. Because it is a bit of it's only a starting position. $100, isn't it? I mean, I know I put in 70,000, so you go, still, it doesn't matter, does it? It's still $100. Anyway, 1 minute to go. We're going to ring the bell. How many are watching? 256. Hello, 256 people. How are you? Oh, God. We got 95 likes. That's rubbish. Can we get 100 likes, please? That's why there's not many people watching. 100 likes we get. Can someone be in charge of likes? Can there be 100 people who come in the show every day and just like? Because once we get 100, YouTube suggests the content out. That's when we start taking off. But we need 100 to get it going. Can 100 people nominate themselves to like, I will come in every day and like the stream, even if it's rubbish? Just to help out. Can anyone be bothered to do that? It'd be all right, that. Anyway, did we get to 100? Did we get there yet, Dad? I don't know why I keep saying that. 108,799. We're nearly 109,000. I'm sick of being at 108. I want 110. I'm really sick of it. Because at 110, I'll be satisfied. Right, you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Right, there you go. The Bella's gone and all the rest of it. We're making money. That's good. We did it. Yay! 108,800. Now I'm enough. Now I'm satisfied. Because until I got 108,800, it did rubbish. Now I'm satisfied. I am enough. Who knows who I'm doing? I'm taking the mick. I'm taking the mick out of a famous actor who said just that. He said, I'm not just anyone going to sleep. I'm 2 times Academy winner. Somebody going to sleep. So, and when I sleep, I don't just sleep like everybody else. I'm 2 times Academy winner, something, getting some well-earned shut-eye. Who am I talking about? Anybody know? Doesn't matter if you don't know. Alrighty then. Right, the bell's gone. Liking all the shows always. Rennie's Annan. I know Rennie's Annan. I've seen it, mate. I've seen it. Right, energy in the house. Hello, mate. Buffering. Nothing's buffering. Nothing. It's you. You got rubbish internet, Liz. It ain't me. Jim Carrey. There it is. There it is. All right. Okay, I'm out of here. We're going walking in and talking in. It's live in 13 minutes. So this is the walk and talk. If you've never been on one, you're not missing much. It ain't that good. In fact, it's rubbish. I don't know why anyone watches it, but they do. Then they love it. It's called Walk and Talk. Oh, look at that. Oh, hello. Look at that. Oh, hello. I'm beating the market just like that. Yep, beating the market. Yes, we are. All right, all right, all right. I put that on. If we start going up too quick again, I'll sell it again. I'll take, if we make $1,000 in the next couple of minutes, I will sell it again, and I will tell all my Electrum members at what price I'm doing that. Because if it goes really quick again, I will do it again, because Coca-Cola should not move like this. And if it does, it's being manipulated, and I'll just take the profit. I'm not just going to be if you can keep making, if you can make $1,000 every day in and out, then you're just going to, that's gold, isn't it? Yeah, you'll pay tax. It doesn't matter, does it? But, you know, that's moving too quick again. $218. Wish I'd bought 400,000 now. I would have made $1,000, wouldn't I? I would have sold that. If I made $1,000 in 5 minutes, you'd definitely do that. All right, Liz, go on stairs. Go on stairs. Hit the like button, but not off net or his was a sign to put the members button. I'm in bed, says Liz. She's in Germany. It's 10 o'clock there. No, 12 o'clock there. It's 12 o'clock. 9. No, it's not. It's 11. It's 11 o'clock. It's still late, isn't it, for Liz? Hey, Liz, get out of bed. We're going for a walk, Liz. Come on, Liz. Go around the Black Forest in Germany. Right, okay, here we go. So I've got to end the show. I'm going to get my walking shoes on. We're going for a walking and a talking in. Here is the show, right? This is where basically I wouldn't even bother. Don't come to this. It's rubbish. Basically, I get my shorts on, show you my legs. Yep, I've got very sexy legs. Show you my legs, and we go for a walk, and we talk about stuff. That's it, really. It really isn't that good, but you can't. You're going to come, aren't you? You just cannot afford to miss it. You cannot afford to miss it. I understand that. It's all right. Right. So anyway, there we go. Another good day. We made some money. Then we didn't. It's bouncing around too much. Coca-Cola is being played at the moment. So to be quite honest, you know, if we go up $1,000, I'll just take it. If we go down, I'll let everyone know on Electrum or what price I'm going to buy more. But I'll be more specific. Someone said to me, "Can you send me the actual numbers?" Right, that's it. I'm out of here. Thanks ever so much. I'll see you on Walk and Talk in exactly 10 minutes. It's going to be heroic. We're going up mountains. We're going down rivers. We're walking through fields. We're going past coyotes and tigers and lions. Oh my. So it's very scary. Some of you might not be in a disposition to join in. All right. That's it. Thank you ever so much. I'll see you in a minute. Love you all. See you back in the morning. Don't forget, if you've not yet seen the video, big day on Wednesday. Oh, yes, it is. It's the Bank of America earnings. Will we get something from Bank of America around RLUSD? Right, that's it. I've got to get out of here. Thank you ever so much indeed. See you on Walk and Talk in 2 minutes' time. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you ever so much. And I'm going to go and get my trainers on. As you say in America, sneakers. No, we don't say sneakers. Sneakers is when you get Gollum sneaking around. Sneaking, right? They're trainers. Trainers. But when I was a kid at school, plimsolls. Put your pumps on. Put your plimsolls on. No, sneakers, trainers. I call them trainers. All right? Me Asics. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.